Hello! Today I'm going to be baking a cake for my friends. Woohoo! Now, what do I need? Aha! First, I need an apron.
Apron. Look. Apron. You sign. Apron. Look. Apron. Rolling pin. Look. Rolling pin. You sign. Rolling pin. Look. Rolling pin. Stall. Ah, look. Stall. You sign. Stall. Oh, look. Stall. Mixing bowl. Ah, look. Mixing bowl. You sign. Mixing bowl. Oh, look. Mixing bowl. Cake case. Look. Cake case. You sign. Cake case. Oh, look. Cake case. Egg. Ah, look. Egg. You sign. Egg. Oh, look. Egg.
Yummy! Bye-bye! See you soon!